everyone to HMET7113 Second Language Acquisition. I'm glad to meet you this semester on this online platform. This course introduces students to Second Language Acquisition, SLA, and emergence of an interdisciplinary approach that encourages students to study SLA from linguistic, psychological, and social perspectives. It analyzes theoretical perspectives, concepts, factors that influence SLA, and the key features that impact language acquisition. It also evaluates the implications of SLA for teaching English as a second language to develop knowledgeable pedagogical practices in TESOL classroom. By the end of this course, you should be able to analyze the key concepts of SLA, its theories, and factors that influence SLA from various contexts, evaluate critically the implications of SLA for teaching and learning based on interdisciplinary research, and construct research related to SLA issues and effectively convey the findings as a contribution. You can access to the multiple course content easily in MyInspire, such as e-lessons, modules, e-books, e-lectures, and online activities to help you in your self-study journey. Please take your time to read the materials. We can meet on Google Meet meetings and discuss the forums. Finally, be sure to read your modules, refer to the references uploaded in your student portal, and ask questions when we meet online so that we can have an interactive learning session. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Happy learning.